Good morning, Hope School, and we are back with our last day of the Sweet 16. Again, I'm going to read two brief descriptions of both of the books, Ban This Book and Key Player. Your responsibility is to log on to the library Google Classroom and find out who makes it to the next round. Here we go. Ban This Book. An inspiring tale of a fourth grader who fights back when her favorite book is banned from the school library by starting her own illegal locker library. It all started the day Amy Ann Ollinger tried to check out her favorite book in the whole world from the mixed-up files of Mrs. Basil E. Frankweiler from the library. That's when Mrs. Jones, the librarian, told her the bad news. Her favorite book was banned, all because a classmate's mom thought the book wasn't appropriate for kids to read. Amy Ann decides to fight back by starting a secret banned book library out of her locker. Soon, she finds herself on the front line of an unexpected battle over book banning, censorship, and who has the right to decide what she and her fellow students can read. All right, key player. The Women's World Cup coming to Southern California, everyone is soccer crazy, especially Mia Tang. The U.S. is playing China in the finals, and Mia feels like her two identities are finally coming together. Less exciting, though, the fact that her PE teacher wants Mia to get out of the soccer field, too, or fall short of the grade she needs to earn a spot at journalism camp. But as always, Mia Tang is ready with a plan. She'll track down the two women's teams, interview them, and write an A-grade article for PE instead. It's not easy, though, finding professional athletes in Pasadena or bringing two identities together, even during a game. As Mia aims for her goals, she'll have to face prejudice, discrimination, and her own fears. But if anyone can find a way to win, it's Mia Tang. I hope that you take some time to log on to the library Google Classroom and vote for which book you feel like should go on to the Elite Eight. And thank you to whoever nominated Ban This Book. I have purchased this, and this is now available in the Hope Library to check out. I hope everyone remembers, hope begins with you.